Hey, so I'm going to teach you how to take a screenshot on your Chromebook. So you are going to press two or three buttons depending on how you want to do it. If you just want to take a screenshot of the whole screen, you're going to press the control button in the lower left hand corner and then the multiple windows button, which is the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6th button from the left. It's the square with the little lines next to it. And you press the control button and then you press that button and then it pops up over here on the side. And you can say copy to clipboard. And then you can insert it in places. So now I'm going to go over here to my dock and I'm going to click paste. Looky there, it's my favorite Swedish newspaper. And over here, I want to put it in my slide. I'm going to click paste. So easy, okay? Now let's say I forgot to click that copy to clipboard thing. How would I get it in here? Then I'm going to click insert image, upload from computer, and it is in your downloads thing. So you just click screenshot. You can make sure it's the right one by looking at the time. Open. There's my screenshot. Same thing over here. Insert image, upload from computer, downloads. There is my screenshot. Okay. Now, let me show you another way. Let's say I don't want a screenshot of the whole screen. I only want a screenshot of this little thing here, okay? So instead of just doing control and then the multiple window button, I'm going to do control shift. Now you have to keep holding them down, then hit the multiple window button. See how my screen goes kind of gray and now my mouse is this? Now, if I only want this, I can click and drag. See how I can go like this? Just the part I want the screenshot of. So I'm going to do that. So same thing, I can do copy to clipboard. Let me get rid of the other one. And then I can do paste. See, and it's just that. Or let's say I forgot to click copy to clipboard. Then I can say insert image, upload from my computer. Make sure I'm on downloads. And there it is.